Hello, and welcome to this brief 10-minute meditation for beginners. This is meant for people who have either never meditated before or have only tried it a few times in the past. Because of that, we'll be taking things very slow, and I'll be giving you instructions the whole way throughout. Right now, we're just going to focus on getting our body comfortable. That could mean just sitting on the floor, sitting in a chair, lying in a bed, or doing anything else you like, just to let your body relax. Now just close your eyes. Remember to give yourself permission to relax. You have these next 10 minutes all to yourself. I'll take you through every step, nice and easily. Just close your eyes for now. Allow your body to relax, for the muscles to go down, and for all tension to just fade away. One of the key concepts of meditation is slow and controlled breathing. You'll want to breathe slower and deeper than you normally do. I find it helps to count your breathing. So start by breathing in to a count of 4, then holding for another 4 seconds, and then breathing out. Try to maintain this rhythm throughout, and remember to just bring your focus to your breathing at all times. Continue that deep, steady breathing, just in to a count of 4, and hold for another count of 4, and out for 4. Steady in and steady out. You may notice thoughts coming up as you meditate. These can be thoughts of the past, of how you're feeling now, or what you should be doing later. I don't want you to push away these thoughts, but gently bring your attention back to your breathing. Allow the thoughts to pass. You don't need to pay attention to them right now. Just focus on relaxing and breathing. Remember to keep your body still throughout the whole process if at all possible. You may feel like fidgeting, and I urge you to try to stay still if possible. We're not going for perfection, just the best that we can do. Remember to keep the steady rhythm of your breath. In for 4, hold for 4, and out for 4. Just steady and relaxed, deeper and slower than you normally would. Just in and out. Many people will notice tension this long into meditation. Does any part of your body feel tense? Or are you having any stressful thoughts come up? It's okay if they're there. Just observe the thought or the physical tension. Understand that it's there. Remember to bring your focus back to your breathing. Remember just in and out, always focusing on your breathing. Any tension, any stress, that can be dealt with later. Right now we're just relaxing. We're nearing the end of this meditation. Remember that you can stay here as long as you'd like, but when you're ready, start bringing attention back to your body and waking your body back up. Return your breathing to normal, and only when you're ready, open your eyes and enjoy the rest of your day. I hope you've enjoyed this meditation, that you feel rejuvenated and ready to take on the rest of your day. Goodbye for now. I hope to see you again soon.